Alright, today we're diving deep. We're gonna break it down step by step. I'll lay out a plan to help you make up to $7,000 a month using only Pinterest. So, what's the deal? First off, we gotta pick a niche that makes money. Then, we'll hunt down some affiliate products that sell like hotcakes. After that, I'll show you how to get those links on your pins like a pro. Good news is, you don't need any fancy experience or your own website for this. Let me be clear, this ain't some quick fix, get rich overnight deal. Forget what you've heard. This takes work and sticking to it. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing. It's where you sell other people's stuff and get a cut of the sales. But why Pinterest? Because it's got over 1 billion folks checking in each month. And it's one of the best places to get free, quality traffic. A big chunk of those folks are loaded millennials from the US. That means they've got cash to spend. Plus, you can do all this affiliate stuff on Pinterest without spending a dime on ads or even having your own website. First things first, picking a niche. It's key to making this work. Trust me, I've been in this game for years, and I've learned the hard way. But hey, mistakes are how we learn and grow, right? It all boils down to keeping it simple. On Pinterest, you've got to aim for niches with products that look awesome in pics. It's all about the photos on Pinterest, cause that's what Pinterest is all about, really. It's like Google, but for visuals. People hop on Pinterest to check out cool stuff, maybe buy something. If it looks good, well, you know what happens next. Folks who search on Pinterest are all about visuals. They care about how stuff looks in pics. So focus on things that attract women. Right now, about 76.2% of users globally are women. 76%. Think fashion, home decor, beauty, yummy food, stuff for kids, or fitness gear. Anything that catches the eye and can boost your pins, that's the trick with affiliate products. Once you've picked your niche, next up is finding some solid affiliate products. Let's talk about products that really fly off the shelves. I reckon many of you watching are new to affiliate marketing, maybe beginners with no website and just a small social media following. That's why I'm showing you this new platform called waywardword.com. It connects creators with brands and offers great commissions, perfect for beginners like you. On Wayward, you can download a CSV file of all your customers. When you sign up, you'll have your own store. Simple as that. It's like Shopify, but without your own products. You get your own store, let the Pinterest traffic flow, categorize your products, customize the look, and start affiliating. Super handy, right? Plus, you can create a link in your bio straight to Wayward, saving your followers some clicks. The quicker they understand, the quicker they buy. There's DG Store 24, ClickBank, Share a Sale for digital products. And then there's good old Amazon.com. You gotta join Amazon's affiliate program, but that can be tough sometimes. What's cool about Wayward? If you get in, you can work with Amazon products hassle-free. It's a great match for the Pinterest crowd. Products cover popular niches like beauty, maternity, home decor, and many don't need any application. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not affiliated with them. You won't find any links in the description. I just find them useful and think you should too. Now, what's really important? Optimizing your Pinterest accounts. Really getting your Pinterest to optimize your Pinterest account looking sharp is key. Even though people just want to buy stuff without checking your own page, you still want to grow a following, right? Well, for that, your page needs to be something people really like. For example, as you can see, this person has a banner, has a good profile picture. It can be your own picture, or you can just go and whip up something really good with Canva.com using these templates. Stick with just the same colors. Then what you have to do, you have to switch over to your business account. You can go over to the settings and just make everything work from there. And hey, if you've got a text or a logo, keep it simple. No more than like 3 types of fonts or else it's just going to look messy. Pro tip, make sure to choose a nice username. What's Pin is going to do? It's going to give you a random one. If you're eager to make an immediate change, consider selecting something exceedingly captivating that seamlessly aligns with your niche. Moreover, infuse it with pertinent keywords to ensure it's SEO friendly. Crafting an enticing profile description is paramount for algorithmic success. Keep it concise, engaging, and laden with keywords. Seeking advice from ChatGPT can assist in crafting something truly exceptional, albeit simplicity is key. There's no need to overanalyze. When it comes to fostering growth on Pinterest, consistency reigns supreme. The golden rule across all social media platforms is maintaining a steady stream of content. Aim for posting between 2 to 5 pins daily. It's crucial to uphold this frequency, either by personal effort or by delegating the task. Additionally, consider increasing your posting frequency, particularly on weekends when traffic tends to surge. Observing similar spikes in weekend engagement among both your Pinterest clients and competitors underscores the significance of weekend activity. Wondering how to create pins that have the potential to go viral? Monitoring your competitors within your niche can provide valuable insights. Utilize platforms like Canva or KD to design your pins, or alternatively, repurpose content from platforms like Instagram or TikTok. However, if repurposing from TikTok, ensure to remove the watermark, as Pinterest may penalize content containing it, potentially limiting its reach. Though they're unlikely to outright ban you, it could impede your visibility. If you've delved into tutorials on Pinterest affiliate marketing, you might have encountered some advice suggesting that you could simply download content created by others from various platforms and repost it under your own name with just a text credit. However, I'll diverge from this common notion because such practices aren't taken lightly. Instead, I recommend utilizing Canva.com. It's not only user-friendly but also offers an enjoyable design experience. You can explore its features extensively, and the best part? It's completely free. Moreover, don't underestimate the value of learning from others. Take the time to analyze your competitors' strategies. Chances are, they've been immersed in the platform longer than you have and have valuable insights to offer. By observing their techniques and content, you can gain inspiration and refine your own approach to Pinterest marketing. Absolutely, it's only natural to seek guidance from those who have more experience in the realm of Pinterest affiliate marketing. Learning from competitors can offer invaluable insights into what resonates with audiences and what strategies yield results. Repurposing successful pins from competitors, while adding your own unique touch, can serve as a wellspring of inspiration for your own content. Ensuring transparency is crucial when engaging in affiliate marketing. By adding an affiliate disclosure in your pin descriptions, you not only abide by regulations but also build trust with your audience. Simply including hashtags like #ad, #sponsored, or #promotion can communicate this transparency effectively. Another impactful strategy for maximizing the reach of your viral pins is active engagement with comments. Timely responses to inquiries and directing potential customers to the product can translate these interactions into sales. Furthermore, actively participating in discussions beneath your most successful pins can extend their viral lifespan, encouraging ongoing interaction and engagement. Consistency, patience, and hard work are essential ingredients for success in affiliate marketing. While it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a potent tool accessible to anyone, and it's free to use. So, I wish you the best of luck as you take action, folks. And remember, like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights.